Okay. Another example is related to the call function or call overloading or function calling operator. Okay. Firstly, we can define the sample class in here like this one, and then def call can be defined with what the self x and y. Okay, and so print call function can be assigned with the what with this term the format of the x and y. Okay, and return values of what the x plus y. We can create the sample object like this one, and so this result is assigned from the 10 and 20 values. Okay, this is the function calling operator. And also we can print the result value, and this calls this function call function, and the result is assigned to the what the 30 values. Okay, and after that we can give the what the call operator with the star arguments or the multiple arguments parameters. For example, the sample can be defined with this term like this one. The init function can be assigned with the self a, and self a is assigned to the a, and also we can define the call function body in here like this one, the star args and star q args. Okay, and also we can give the what the print a value with the parameters of the what the format of self a and arguments or the normal arguments can be defined with the s args and the other terms quarks kw args. Okay, so as sample is initialized with the 100 values, and also we can call the 10, 20 and 30 and xx 40 and yy 50. Okay, if I call this function, firstly the 100 is assigned to the self a, and 10, 20 and 30 is the arguments of this function with the multiple function, and q args is the given definition xx and yy value from the what from this function calling operator. Okay, I can assign any variable to this class in order to what in order to implement any function or any mathematical operations. So in this case we will learn about the get item function or set item function, or in other terms the array elements can be reachable by using the what by using this get item and set item definition, or this the open and closes parentheses operator can be assigned with these terms. Okay, so you can define the what the my list class def init self array can be defined in terms of what the print init function body. Okay, and self array can be assigned to the array at this time, and also I can define the get item overload with the self and key parameters like this one. For example, we can give the what the get item func and return values of the what the self array key function. Okay, and so we can reach the any elements of the list parameter in here like this one, and so we can get the whole the terms by using overload to the what to get item function. Okay, and also I can give the def set item function with the self keyword, the key and values. Self is the represented the list elements, key is the index and the values of the assigned values to this list. Okay, and so we can print the set item func like this one, and self array with the reach of the key, and we can assign the values of these terms. Okay, and also we can give the len function or len overload in here like this one. The print len func is a warning for the user, and return to the len function the self array like this one. Okay, and also we can give the overload for the string operation or the return operation like this one, the self. And after that we can print the str func and return values of the str self array. Okay, after that we can create the ml function body in here like this one. The my list can be assigned with the 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 values. Okay. After that, if you have this nomination, and so if I run this code, the only init func is called, because this is the creation of the are variables. Okay, and so the for I in range of the len ml, this len ml calls this overload function, and after that the ml I is set to the ml I times 2. Okay, after that we can print the ml function body. In this case, if I run this code, and then we have the get item and set item, get item, set item, get item, set item function are called by the program in the in this for loop. Okay, and after that the str function is calling in here, and print ml is seen as the as the string object of the Python programming language. Okay. This is the overloading mechanism for the for creation of the list operation in here. So we can also define the dictionary values. Class sample like this one, this def init self body can be created, and so print init func, and the self dictionary can be created with the empty dictionary values, and also def set item function can be created with the self and key and values of these terms like this one. Okay, and the print of the set item function as the self dictionary key can be assigned with the values of these terms. Okay, and also we can reach the def get item, the self and key can be overloaded in here, the print get item func, and return of the self dictionary key must be given to the output or the user. Firstly, we need to create the s sample in here, and s Ali can be assigned to the 300, and Kamil 300 or 200, or s1 is assigned to the Mehmet. Okay. If I run this code, and then init function is called for the s, and set item is assigned with the with these terms s Ali, s Kamil and s1, because we have the assignment operator in here. Okay, after that we can print the whole function like this one, the s Ali, s Kamil and s1. Okay, and so if we have this code, the get item calls 3 times in here with the values of the 300, 200 and Mehmet. Okay, this is what these are the own dictionary class of our Python programming language. This is the simple operator overloading mechanism of the what of these terms. Okay. So after that we can create the matrix operation. But firstly I need to give some explanation in here, like this one. This is the 5-dimensional matrix, but the Python sees this matrix with a tuple elements of the A, B, C, D, E. Okay, these values are identical to the each one. After that, this information we can create the matrix class. For example, def init self and rows and calls can be created in here, and so print init func can be given, and self matrix can be created with the 0 values of the times n calls for I in range of n rows. Okay, and so each column gets the 0 values, but n calls time this one. After that, n rows possess these columns, and then we have the n columns times n rows 0 values in this matrix. Okay. After that we can give the get item function with the self and index parameter in here. Index is a tuple values in here, get item func, and return to the self matrix. Index is 0 value, the first element of this tuple, and index 1 values. Okay. After that we can assign the set item function body in here, the self, index, and the values of the assignment. Okay, and so this print the set item func can be assigned this term, and self matrix index 0 and index 1 can be assigned with the val values. Okay. The definition of the string operator overloading is complex in here, because this is the matrix of the R notation as is defined with the empty space in here. After that, for I in range of the len self matrix operation, for K in range len self matrix 0 values, this is the column values of this term, and if K is not equal to the 0, and then S plus equal empty space, because at each time we should give to to empty space. After that, this if S plus equal to the str values self dot matrix I and K. Okay. After that we should give the new line character at each row values. Okay, and after that we should give the return S. Okay. Firstly we should define the m values in here with the matrix of the 5 and 5. After that we can print the m matrix in here like this one. So init function is calling in here, and after that the 5 times 5 0 matrix is created in here. So the for I in range 5 and for K in range 5, I K should be assigned I plus 2 times K. Okay, it's the arbitrary function, and print of the m can be written like this one. But in this term we have the 25 set function body is called in the operator overloading mechanisms, but at the end of this code 0 to 4 blah 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 12 as obtained from this function body. Okay, after that we can print the whole values I in range 5 for k in range 5, and we can print the m, I and k with the end of the empty space, and after that we should give the print for a new line, and also print, and also at the end of this code we can give the print, but there's no necessary in here. And so this end function obtains the hold element with the get item function body, like this one, 0 2 4 6 8 and blah 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 12. But at each case, get item func is called by the by the users, or by the Python interpreter for a given get item function. Okay, so in the next lesson we will talk about it, but in this lesson I will explain the project for given to be completed on the task of the classroom codes. Okay, so this is the end of this lesson.